Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. By hand, unscrew the two plastic screws which hold the cover under the glove box in place and remove it. Remove the lower dashboard casing. Take the flange on the cabin filter and slide it to the right so you can remove it. Then pull on the cabin filter to take it out. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
There are three types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first ones are used to stop dust, while the second ones will also filter out smells and gases. There's now a new generation of filters on the market. Perflux has developed Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and offer 50 times the protection of traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Put the new filter in, paying close attention that it's inserted the right way up with a cut part on the side of the door. Put the flange back on. Place it flat against the box of the cabin filter and fix it in place, sliding it to the left. Put the casing back on. Put the cover under the glove box compartment back on. Then screw the two plastic screws back in by hand. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.